Remember how in the last Scentbird video I talked about that fragrance Sweet Leaf and it was like, oh God. Well, I stand corrected. I mean, I knew that had to be somebody out there who liked it. But on Instagram, I saw somebody post that same Scentbird Sweet Leaf sample and they were like, love it. Really something out there for everyone. Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Holly Golightly and this is Perfume Vegas. I'm so glad you're here for Scentbirds. We're doing Scentbird today. Yes, I know it's in the month, so there was 2 Scentbirds in 1 month because it came in the month. It came whole and everything. And first of all, before I start, I have another addendum to put in. There's someone who knows who they are who told me to try this Love Me from Tippy Toes, you know. You guys, it smells bomb. It smells bomb. It smells just like the Miu Miu Twist Eau de Toilette. And I love those fragrances. I love the perfume and the Eau de Toilette. So I think I'm going to buy this. Anyway, it's neither here nor there. Let's start off by telling you that if you want to know what makeup I have on my face, I've got another video where I'm wearing the same makeup. I'll put it in the card here if it's not up. I'll link it down below if it is, where I tell you, so you can watch that. We're talking about Scentbird. This is July's Scentbird. It arrived on time, intact, everything in 1 box. I'm really impressed with you, Scentbird. You're getting yourself together. Look at you. So, as per usual, I have 3 fragrances. As per usual, one of them is from room 1015. The other 2 are just whatever random things I've found that I get. So let's just start with the room 1015 one because it's a logical starting point. This is the fragrance Yesterday from room 1015. And this one I had thought, I got confused. I thought this was the one I didn't get before, but in fact the one I didn't get was a different one. Anyway, room 1015 Yesterday is a fragrance inspired by a picture of the Beatles hanging out in a hotel bathroom, shaving and having fun. When I saw this pic, I immediately tried to imagine what would be the smell inside that bathroom. Vetiver, lavender, perhaps santal, a tribute to the unique spirit that musicians have, being kids and grown-ups at the same time. Dr. Mike, room 1015 founder. The fragrance call-out notes of this are geranium, lavender, cardamom, and apple, and I feel like that's pretty straightforward. I smell all those things, so there's other things I think. This is definitely the most masculine of the 1015 fragrances that I have tried, which by this point is about all of them. This is by far the most masculine, and I think it's designed to be the most masculine. To my understanding, the room 1015 fragrances are supposed to be like agender unisex scents. But this one does have a barbershop quality, and it has that apple note, which in a feminine fragrance I dislike quite a bit, but in a masculine fragrance I don't mind. It just has a little bit of punchiness, and I do like the smell of it in a masculine fragrance. That being said, I would not purchase this for myself. It's not something I would wear, but it's a really beautiful fragrance if you like gender neutral or masculine leaning scents. And especially if you like the notes, geranium, lavender, cardamom, and apple. I mean, it's really straightforward, and you're definitely going to get all of that. I am really happy that I tried this. I think I have tried all of the 1015 fragrances that Scentbird's offering now. So unless some of the limited release ones come back, I don't think I have any other Room 1015 fragrances that I'll be trying, but I really, really like the brand. I can't wait to be able to purchase some full bottles from them. Holly Rose is probably my favorite. It is probably the most feminine one as well, the most feminine leaning, but I also really love Cherry Punk, and I really love the Room 1015 Eau de Parfum. So if you want me to do a full video on Room 1015 fragrances, please let me know, because I'd love to do that. I haven't smelled all of them in a while, so I'd love to have them all out, even Sweet Leaf. The next one was a super, super surprise, because I thought for sure it was going to be basic, just straightforward citrus, and that was going to be it. Like, I wasn't expecting to be impressed, but I was impressed. And that was the fragrance Cefiro from Floris London. So Cefiro says its inviting blend of orange, citrus, and sheer jasmine feels like endless sunshine on your skin, and might just be the best way to wake up in the warmest, most welcoming way possible. The call-out notes for this are lemon, bergamot, musk, mandarin, and jasmine. And again, you really smell those things when you spray this on. I was so impressed by the quality of this fragrance as a citrus fragrance. I was super impressed. It smells amazing. It's quite bold, and it's very tenacious for a citrus fragrance. It lasted on me for like 6 hours. I could still smell mandarin. Straight up like mandarin cup, like that sort of fragrance. This absolutely is an amazing scent that you would want to spray on yourself to give yourself that boost in the morning. They're not wrong. And I'm extremely impressed. I've heard a lot of people say good things about Floris London, and this is definitely impressing me. So I will be checking out more from this brand. I really like this scent. I definitely want to keep it by my bed so I can spray it on in the morning. It's super, super just fresh and welcoming. Like it said, I don't have anything to say that wasn't already printed. Like, they literally took the words right out of my mouth. So again, the notes were lemon, bergamot, musk, mandarin, and jasmine. At the first, you can really smell the jasmine, the lemon, and the bergamot, and then in the dry down, the musk and mandarin come forward more. Really nice, really beautiful. Quite pleased and surprised. I didn't expect to like it so much. So that was Cefiro from Floris London. And then the last one is my favorite, but only like by a smidge. It's only my favorite over the Floris London because I feel like I could wear this fragrance a little bit more. But both of them I really, really liked. I was like, really liked them. And this is from the brand The Harmonist, and it is the scent Metal Flower. So I have tried fragrances from The Harmonist, and I believe they have, their sister company is The Agonist. I'm not super sure about that, so don't quote me, but I think that's the case. Metal Flower is a modern fragrance that captivates the wearer like a glint of light bouncing off a burnished surface. Graceful Bulgarian rose combined with rose of May or rose de Mai, patchouli, and sharp metallic notes to create a floral trio with an unexpectedly honed edge. Delicate and deft, it's a dazzling yin scent that charms and motivates. So the Harmonist, they do yin and yang fragrances. Yin and yang are the elemental energies that embody the masculine and the feminine. So the yin energy is the feminine energy, it's the left energy, it's the white energy. And the yang is the dark energy, the masculine energy, the right hand energy. Together they go into one and they form a whole unit. And as you can see in the yin yang symbol, each side combines to form around the other as well. So you see white with dot of black and black with a dot of white in the middle. It has a lot of meaning, and they have used that symbolism to create fragrances that work in harmony, but that appeal to different I wouldn't say that they appeal to different genders, but they appeal to different types of people, but work in harmony with each other. So a yin and yang scent could be partners or friends, siblings, you know, you could get something that, like, anyway. I'm not selling these, okay? I'm just talking about it. So anyway, Meadow Flower has these rose notes that are slightly on the, they're slightly on the indolic side, but they're not super, super jammy or sweet. If you've ever smelled Elizabeth and James Nirvana Rose, it's a gothic rose. It's very similar to that. It's also quite similar to the rose in the Armani Privé Rose Alexandrie that I have. It's a gothic rose that's just a little bit indolic, but not like too rich yet. That paired with the patchouli, the musk, and those metallic oxides, it's just gorgeous. This is a fragrance that smells both similar and very unique. It's not breaking your comfort zone to wear it. It's just a beautiful, unique rose fragrance that's not strange. It's different, but it's not strange. This could easily be worn for just about any evening occasion. It does smell quite formal to me, but I don't think that you would be out of place to wear it to a daytime situation as well. If you wanted to wear it to like a brunch or lunch, even breakfast, dinner, dates, drinking, cocktails, movies, evening out, whatever. I don't think it's an office-friendly fragrance, but in any type of like personal social life situation, I could definitely see myself wearing it at least. It's beautiful. You can get these at theharmonist.com, but you can also get them at like Neiman Marcus online, Saks Fifth Avenue online, Bloomingdale's online. And I definitely would recommend this. If you're a rose fragrance fan, check out Meadow Flower from The Harmonist. All right, you guys. I have kind of blabbered on a little bit about nothing, about inconsequential things for this month, because to be fair, these fragrances were all so nice that they didn't really require a whole lot of These fragrances were so nice, they didn't really require a whole lot of dissection. So anyway, I would love to hear what fragrances you got in your Scentbird subscription. If you don't get Scentbird, if you're not subscribed, let me know just what you have been sniffing on lately, what you've been liking, what you haven't been liking. Have you tried any of these scents? Let me know other Floris London scents that you think I should try, because I'm really interested in the brand. This was so nice. This experience was great. I'm very happy with my Scentbird this month, if you can't tell. I have been having some computer trouble. I have been having some computer trouble. I don't have an active internet connection, and as far as I know, there's really no one making an effort to resolve this. So, if for some reason I'm missing uploads or I'm absent, that'd be why, because my mobile connection, like my data connection, is crap, and then I don't have any Wi-Fi, and we don't have any way to connect to a landline either, so really strange. In a modern urban area, you can't get internet. Anyway, I hope to see you guys on the next video. I appreciate you sticking around to the end. If you have done so, you have my thanks. And I would love, 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 love to see you in the comments below. And make sure you turn on those notifications, hit the subscribe, and let me know how you found this video. I will see you again very soon. Thank you, and bye.